Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete notes or comments in Google Sheets. So you'll learn the difference between how to delete each. They're slightly different, and that's why I want to create this easy and quick video for you showing you how to delete notes and comments. So inside a Google Sheet document, guys, you will see the difference between comments. Now, the comments will look like a little green option, as you can see. Once you hover over it, you'll see the comments appear, and you will see the difference that it looks like a little box where you also have some options here on the right hand side, and you can see you have the delete button. While for the notes, you simply hover over it and you just have a box. There's nothing, no option to delete there, but it's very easy to delete. So let's start by deleting the comments. So you hover over that section or that cell where you have the comments, and once you have the box up here towards the upper right hand side, click the three dots here, you have more options, and then click on delete. Then confirm it by clicking delete again. And that's it. The comment is now deleted. While for the note, you hover over it, you have the box up here, and all you have to do is just either Control A to highlight everything and then hit delete, or you can just backspace and delete everything. It's really up to you. In this case, I'm going to simply click and delete, and it remove everything within the box, and then just click away and it's now gone. And that's it. That's how to delete comments or notes in Google Sheets.